Want a flourless chocolate torte with a crispy bottom? It's as easy as staring into the sun. Wait a minute. Melt the butter in the chocolate. I'm going to put it in a little torte pan, easy peasy. Put some almonds in the grinder for that crispy bottom. You need some butter, some sugar, melt that all together. Put that on the bottom. It's not a thick crust, it's just a little smattering. Speaking of smattering, how about a smattering of espresso to enhance the flavor of chocolate? Always a good idea. Butters is enjoying the sun. Whip up 4 eggs. Put a little salt, also enhances the chocolate flavor. Mix the eggs and the chocolate together and then pour. I use semi-sweet for this recipe, but you could certainly use a darker chocolate. That would work as well. 350 degrees in the oven, only about 20-25 minutes. And there you have it. Pop it out of the tray and serve. And hit subscribe for more Daphne dishes again.